welcome back to my channel. I'm here with a Boxycharm unboxing. I've had it for a couple days now. I don't know, I'm just not so thrilled over this box this time. I keep getting stuff that I just don't use, and it's starting to get a little old, really. I don't know. But if I don't seem so enthused with this box, that is why I'm sick of getting stuff that I just don't use. And it's starting to irritate me a little bit. I mean, this is $21 a month. And I mean, when I first started getting it, I was like, yay, you know, and now it's just repetitive and it's driving me crazy, honestly. But let's open it up and see what we got that we don't need or want, because that's how I feel right now. So here is what you see when you open it, and you get your little information sheet that tells you what's in here. And goal digger, G-O-A-L, digger is the theme this month. I don't know, but when you pull back this little thing here, there's 3 things right on the top that I don't use. I don't need them. I just don't. It's frustrating when you pay for a box and you keep getting stuff that you don't use, and it's so frustrating. And I'm sorry, my apologies if I'm bringing you down. I'm not trying to. I'm just frustrated, and frustration, it just comes through so strong in me when I'm frustrated, and I know it, and I try not to show it, but it's frustrating. Let me turn you guys a little bit. And I don't want you guys, I'm not trying to pretend on my channel. If I don't like it, I just don't like it. And I don't want to lie and say, oh, I love this box, it's so awesome, when it's so repetitive is what it is. I mean, you know, and there's people out there that have channels that are just about Boxycharm, and really it's not all that wonderful. I mean, some months are just so awesome, and then you have the other months where it's almost like they had extras from 4 months ago, and they're like, oh, just throw it in there, they'll never know. Well, you know what? I know you can get so many brushes, but how about something new and exciting? That's what I would like. Like for me, this first thing, I don't wear them, so it's just how it is. Lashaholic lashes. Instaglam false eyelashes. I do not wear false eyelashes. I cannot get them on. I have tried hundreds of thousands of times. I don't care how much they cost. They don't work any better than cheap ones. In my opinion, my eyes are, that's it. That's what I get. It's okay. But here are the ready, set, get addicted. It's not gonna happen, not with me. But there's the lashes. These retail for a whopping $14.99. And these, I couldn't wear these with my glasses anyway. They would hit the back of my glasses. So, I mean, I've gone in and I've said, no, I don't like eyelashes. I don't want them. Keep them away from me. Doesn't work. Doesn't work. I've tried 100 times. Elevate your eye look with your new Lashaholic lashes. These 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers gives your lashes dimension, natural looking, length, and volume. So these will just go in a giveaway, because I'm just not. I'm not even thrilled that I don't care. It is what it is. So then we have Luxy Luminous Eye Set, and add a little sparkle to your brush collection with this limited edition Boxycharm collaboration. Luxy Luminous Eye Set features 4 synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for Boxycharm. These are $21. Yeah, it is what it is. A brush is a brush to me. If it says eyeshadow brush, I will use it for whatever the hell I want to use it for. I'm not fancy. A blush brush, I use it for foundation. It's not a big deal to me. I'm not trying to be somebody I'm not, and these brushes, whatever. It is what it is, you know. I don't know if anybody else feels that way when they get a box and it's just like, what the hell do I keep getting the same thing? Okay, it's not the same company, not the same brand, it's the same product. It's the same brushes. Brushes, brushes, brushes. I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it. I don't do false eyelashes. I'm sick of them too. I have like 6 sets of them. I have Baddington lashes. I don't use them. I will never use these. These will sit in there until they disintegrate into dust because I don't use them. Anyway, on to the next thing. And this is Jaunty Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. And it says Sparkle Up Glam. And it's so hard to see. I just feel like it's the same crap all over every damn month. I'm even considering canceling FabFitFun. I'm just about done with them too. There's so many boxes out there that you could have. I just feel like I'm wasting my time on boxes that aren't worth my time. You know what I mean? There's so many amazing boxes out there yet to be discovered. I guess that's what I want to say. And why not discover them? Right? Right. So I finally got this crap open. And there is, you can see the glitter, and let's see if I can get it on there without ruining it. But you can see the glitter in there. Right there is, you can see the glitter when I move my hand. So that's pretty cool. I'll use it. Yeah. Nothing I would write home to anybody about, but I'll use it. I mean, why not? Add a little sparkle in my life. And then, of course, we have another one of these things. Cover FX Glitter Drops by and this is Nova. I don't know. These ultra concentrated drops. Let me show you the packaging. A multi-dimensional glitter create a high-impact reflective finish that wows. The multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. $44. No. I wouldn't pay $44 for this. Not this. Nope, not me. Nope, I would not. Not even trying to hear it. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about getting this, but I'm going to put it on my hand so that we can see what the heck we're working with here. Let's see. It is nice packaging though. I like the package. It's beautiful. I am a glitter person. But we're gonna rub it in and see what we get here. Let's see. There we go. But anyway, that's what it looks like rubbed in. That's pretty nice. Oh, it took that right off of there. But I mean, it's not bad. I'm not gonna, but you can see all the glitter. Can you see the glitter? I can see it. Like, I look like it just came from, there it goes. There we go. Now that is a lot of glitter. Wow. I probably won't, is going all the way up my arm. Anyway, I probably won't ever get it off now. Oh my goodness. I am just all glitterified. All right. Well, my husband's going to be like, what the hell did you do while I was gone? The fairy dust is all around. Unbelievable. You can see the glitter all the way up my arm. Anyway, Wonder, can you see it on my face? I can't see without my glasses, so I probably just glitterified myself. Yeah, well, that is what it is. That is my glitter. Cover effects. Glitter drops. That should last quite a while because you look at the applicator on this thing. That should last quite a while. And one little drop, trust me, goes a long, long, long way. It covered both my arms, but there is the dropper that it comes in. There it is inside. And that is filled right to the top. So, I mean, that's a pretty cool bottle. I like it. Don't get me wrong, I do like that. I just like that and the eyeliner. So that's two things that I like. And then we have just one last thing, and this is from Ace Beauty. And I am glitterified. This is 4 shimmering shades and 4 bold mattes. Your new grandiose palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. These eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending, and the manufacturer's is $24.99. And there is the Juice Beauty palette. Let's see if we can get this out. How do I get it out? If I can get it out. Come out. It won't come out. I don't know. Out, you jerk. Why won't it come out? My God. Am I doing it wrong? Let's see. Come out, you jerk. Thank you. My goodness, that took forever. Okay, here we go. And there are the colors. Oh my goodness, they look beautiful. Oh, let's put that back over there. Okay, so on top, we have jasmine. Come on now. That's jasmine, clove, myrtle, and cinnamon. Jasmine, clove, myrtle, and cinnamon. I like the cinnamon color. That's a pretty color. And then down here we have patchouli, rose, poppy, and what are you? Primrose. I do like these colors. So with Boxycharm now, you can go on and you can pick something that you would like to see in your box, and this is what I picked. I'd rather have the palette over any of this other stuff. I am going to swatch this for you. Let's see if we can't get some. They are pretty pigmented. Ooh, I like that color. All right. Wowie, wowie. Oh my goodness. This is insane. Oh my goodness. I probably won't be able to wear that. I know that the clove one is, there we go. So that is clove, nope, jasmine, clove, myrtle, and cinnamon. Those are, look at that one right there. Oh my goodness, that is a color and a half. They are highly pigmented. Those are the colors exactly. Wow. My hands are so cold, they're all wrinkly. Okay, so we're gonna swatch this next one. And this one is patchouli. If I can get it off. Patchouli. Oh my goodness, that is red. Whew. How am I gonna get these colors off of my hand? I'll never know. Oh, that one looks the same. But there are the next 4. And that one here is patchouli, rose, poppy, and Primrose. So those are some colors. Wow. Look at, phew. They are really pigmented. They are super look at me, I'm a hot mess. I'm a hot mess. They are super, super pigmented, and there they are again. Beautiful colors. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now that I have made a complete and total mess of myself, it's okay. I'll get cleaned up sooner or later. That is it for my Boxycharm. I'm sorry that the video was such a drag, really, but you know, I'm not gonna lie to you guys and tell you, oh, this is wonderful, when I don't feel like it's not wonderful for me anyway. I mean, it might be for somebody else out there. They might love this, but I'm just like, yeah, it is what it is. So that's what I got in my Boxycharm. Like I said, this will probably go in a giveaway. The eyelashes are definitely going in a giveaway. So I do like the glitter drops. I do like the eyeliner, the glitter eyeliner, and I do love the palette. So, as you can tell, I do like the palette. So anyway, that is it for my Boxycharm unboxing. Let me know if you get Boxycharm and what you got. And, I mean, how do you guys feel about the eyelashes? Do you guys wear eyelashes? I've tried. I think it's more out of frustration that I don't wear them because I can't get the stupid things on and it drives me crazy. So, oh no, I just got eyeshadow all over that box. Oh well, it matters that they've not been used, right, guys? Because they're going in a giveaway. One of you guys are gonna get them. All right, well, that's it, guys. I am done running my mouth. It is 17, 18 minutes now, so better get off of here and get dinner started. So I will see you guys in my next video, which is a DIY. I've been working on this DIY for 3 days. I've been trying to get this DIY done, so look out for that video. It will be up right after this one. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out of here. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to give a girl a thumbs up because she's a hot mess. All right, guys, later.